everybody, my name is Christine. I am Beach Cricket, and this is my bus, Shuttle Babe. You want to come in? All right. There we go. This is home. So what I have is a 24-foot long shuttle bus, and it belonged to a church, and so I have good vibes about that. And then it was partly converted, and then I did the rest. I did most of it. So, oh, you found a way in. So what I've done is I've utilized these real steel baskets, and it holds everything. I don't have cabinets. What? Okay, so I have a kitchen that's been designed by me. I have a sink, and I like to put the 5-gallon, I have a 3-gallon, excuse me, water bottle with a little, it's so nice because it just simply fills up with the cup with one little touch. So no gravity fed things, just a simple little thing like that. Everything in here is very simple because I'm a girl, and my knowledge of a lot of things is kind of limited, even though I watch YouTube too. But I decided to do a camp stove with an oven because I love to bake. And so I have that, ice maker, TV. These benches here open up, and there's storage underneath there. And I can sleep on either side here. These actually pull out, and I can put a table here, and it'll connect both of these and make a big bed if I want to do that. And I have a refrigerator, or a winter refrigerator, 45 quart, that does everything perfectly for me. I have a full-size shower with a Camplux hot water on demand system. And it's just so simple, so I can always have hot water instantly. I do the bucket simple because I do not want a gray tank or a black tank. I actually do have a gray tank underneath the shower though for that. So also what I do, these lights are solar, and they come out from the top. I let them generate some sunshine, put them in here, and you can either do white or color. So, and it has a beautiful ambiance in here, and it doesn't cost anything to, you know, it's free light. Even though I do have lights, and they are all LEDs in here. I have 2 battery bank systems. I have one in the back, and I have one in the front. The front is for the kitchen, so I can utilize all my tools and anything I need, like blenders. And the back is for charging and other things, like it's doing the refrigerator, it's doing my pump for the shower, and it's doing the fans. So I have 2 fantastic fans in here, so I can pull the air ventilation through, so it's really easy. I have foam board in my windows covered with fabric so that I can insulate my windows, and my windows are painted black. Here I put screens on the outside so I can open my top windows and have the airflow that way as well. So the TV is 12 volt, and everything pretty much I have in here is either propane or 12 volts. So,
all right, same as mine.
Yeah, so just an easy, simple way of living, and it's cost effective. It wasn't that hard to do.
Now, do you have solar on the roof?
I have 250 watts on top, and then I have a 100-watt panel for my battery bank system in there that I pull out. So yeah, it does it all.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it. It's home.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.